Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain and Custom. And today in this session we will cover the importance of the import and export documents. In this module we are completing the last session. Okay, so the document is the incentive perspective. What are the importance of these documents? Okay, so as a name of the incentive perspective, incentives government provide us the exporter to promote the export. Okay, when we export more and more from the our country, then we will get more and more foreign currency, which is make our economy strong. Okay, so in for these export promotions government provide the incentive. Okay, for that incentive there are certain type of documents which called the incentive prospective documents. Okay, so these documents are just for using. You can save custom duties and other incentive. Okay, so first if we talk about the advance authorizations, this is the first incentive respective documents. By help of these documents you can import the raw materials for the manufacturing process, and after this manufacturing process you have to export the goods. Okay, so main thing is that advance license used for the duty free on the raw materials. Okay, so you can free the duty by using advance license issued by the DGFT, and without paying any duty you can import the goods. Okay, but for the incentive perspective we need to export the goods. Okay, because the government want to promote export, so just providing duty free. Okay, so whatever metric ton you have import and whatever value you have import, you have to export for the uh, given in given detail in the license. Okay, just like you have import 1000 metric ton. Okay, then you have to export at least 99% of the imported goods. Okay, so some is we can say consumptions level. There are the utilizations and it will be wastage in 1%. Okay, so you have to export. So main thing is that government want to export, so they are providing advance authorization license. Now second is EPCG license, export capital goods. Okay, export promotions capital goods. So EPCG license is used for the capital goods import. Okay, but advance license used for that raw materials. So in the EPCG license we can import any machinery, okay, which will use in the manufacturing process of the export production. Okay, so in this case if you issuing the license from DGFT of is EPCG and utilize at the time of import, then there is no need to pay any duty in the machinery parts. Okay, so it's a capital machinery, there is no need to pay duty, but in the manufacturing process we have to export the goods. Just like we issue the license of EPCG for duty saving, and we have saved the duties like 1 crore. Okay, in INR, then we have to export the 6 time of duty save. Like you have to export the 6 crore rupees of the export FOB value. Okay, so this is very important to understand that government is providing this incentive to promote the export. Okay, in the same way duty free import license used, we also use for the duty free. Okay, certificate of origin. Okay, these are the also incentive perspective, we can say, for the particular country you can import without paying any duty. Okay, and some documents like a road tape schemes, drawback scheme, these are the schemes government provide to incentive perspective. In MEIS it was earlier closed to 2000. Okay, and now the road tax scheme has been launched by the government. So in that scheme also government provided some incentive to promote the export. So government issue some road tax duty script on the FOB value, percentage of the FOB value, just like 1 to 5%. Okay, it was also same on the MEIS, but MEIS was discontinuous because this was the against of the WT rules. Okay, now another scheme see drawback is given by the government. When we export the goods within 7 or 8 days, you will receive the drawback amount. Okay, so drawback is the amount which is refund whatever GST and taxes we paid on the raw materials. Okay, for example, in manufacturing process, we import some goods. Okay, and we have paid some duty on the particular goods. So while after manufacturing, you if you are exporting these goods, then whatever duty you have paid on that import time will be refunded as a drawback. In the same way, if you buy the goods from domestic procurements, then whatever tax and GST you have paid on that will refunded at the time of export. So it's called a drawback, duty drawback. So guys, we in this session we have tried to understand type of documents which call the incentive perspective document. So we have complete the module of importance of the document in export and import. In this module we have covered in three sessions. First is incentive. First is commercial perspective, legal perspective, then incentive perspective. So guys, we are going to end the session here. Thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.